Hey guys, Brett is here. Brett came to party. I think we gotta go outside really quick, guys. There's a surprise for you. Brett is the man of mini cars. If you guys know what this is, then you already know. But if you don't know, it's a Noble. Brett's newest ride, and it's a Ford V6 turbo, right Brett?
Yeah, twin turbo. Twin
turbo Ford V6 in this really cool body. It's very, very, very rare, and it's pretty fast, and it's just like full race car for the street, but street legal. That's kind of Brett's style. My style too, if I could, but one day. This is like a really clean, nice looking chassis. Super clean. It's just like a nice shape. And then the inside is just like full race car. Do you guys want to get in? Here, let's get in. I've driven like 10 of these because I used to be a valet, so I got to park these, but you guys have not been in one of these. This is really cool. 6-speed, all nice, super nice, like Alcantara suede inside here, and it's like literally you're just in a race car. This is crazy. Well, the battery's about to die on the camera, but I think you guys want to see the motor. Let me get another battery. Okay, so new battery. Meanwhile, while I'm doing the battery, Brett was opening up the hood and the rear where the motor is. Under the hood, super nice radiator with nice ducting, Spal fans. Pretty much race car. Crazy.
Average power on.
So it has transverse mounted motor, V6 twin turbo, intercooler, intakes. Yep, this is just like a race car, but a production race car. Check that out, it's just like full race car. This one's really hard to get to.
Yeah, you need muscles this one.
Yeah, that's gonna like rip my fingernail off or something. I give up. Let's see how Brett does it. Let's see the fingernails of steel. Hey man, that's not a finger. Jeez, his fingernails are super strong.
See, strong nail.
Ah, that's cool. And this just pump gas or what?
Yeah, 91.
And then it's, wait, should we guess how much horsepower? 420.
Between 4 to 430.
Okay.
Depends on the dyno.
I kind of already knew, so that wasn't a fair guess, everyone. But this looks like fun to drive. Do you think if we're lucky, Brett would give us a ride in it?
Yeah.
Maybe? Okay. Should we ask him for a ride? Yeah, I think so. Okay. We're gonna get a ride. Whoa! Air horn. Brett's got an air horn.
Is that an air horn, right?
That is cool.
You want this out? Yeah.
Air horn. Okay, so that's really cool. Whoa!
Works!
Yep. So what do you guys think? Oh, you spotted tea there, sir?
Coffee.
Tea and crumpets?
Yeah. And meal and cheese.
Oh, cheese. Is there mayonnaise?
Yeah, no.
Well, you're missing
Just handmade
something
it.
then. You're missing one ingredient, sir.
Yeah, sorry.
This car is really cool. I'm excited to get a ride in it, even though I drove one as valet, so I kind of know what they feel like. But I didn't go past like first gear when I was a valet. It was just the experience of being in it. What were you gonna say, Brett?
Oh, chocks.
Yeah, everything's like an Indy car style. Whoa, it has like the sway bars, like how the Speedway bars, like I did on the RX-3 for you. Come on.
Yeah.
Or how the Supra has. Okay, so it's trying not to focus very well, but
You put the dirt back?
the bar
No.
and the arm is not like a traditional sway bar. It's like similar to how it is on the Supra. Jeez, that's perfect alignment. Yeah, everything's, this is nice. Ooh, and it has a little battery tender plug?
Yeah.
Cool. That's like the same wing that's on Emmett's car almost.
Almost.
Jeez. Alright guys, let's go for a ride soon. Okay, so Brett left the key I'm just gonna, he left the key, so I'll just take that car and see how fast I can go in it. Oh wait, no, he didn't leave the key, he's coming. Here comes Brett. Oh, it's tight. Tight to get in. But once you're in, it's cool. Whoa. Look at how beautiful that start button is. Oh, you can do key or ignition?
Key or start, yeah. But I think my injectors didn't get dirty.
It started pretty effortlessly.
But you cranked a bit.
I guess, yeah. But
It has
then,
both harnesses and 3-point.
I guess I gotta get buckled up, guys. We'll be back shortly. We gotta turn that down, but guys, check this out.
Oops.
And the cage is wrapped in like Alcantara suede. Man, you wouldn't even know there's a cage in here, but there's like, that's why you're saying the injectors maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's like, the guy that previously owned this car he owned it for 6 years and he only ever put 6,000 miles in 6 years, so Brett was like thinking he might do like a little once over on a couple little details, huh Brett?
Yeah. Is it a little bit dirty, a little bit rough.
Oh cool, and then so you got a boost gauge, oil pressure, oil temp, all you need for a race car, and then the normal gauges over there. Probably will go easy on the roads that are dangerous, you know? Sure about it? Wow. Smooth, huh?
Still learning all this stuff. And it's like boost cut, like 6,000 or something.
Oh, it is?
Maybe because everything is not fully warmed up, or I don't know. But that's why I need to get everything checked out.
Dang, this car is cool inside.
Yeah. Lit up. Cold AC. The only thing is like these super cheap lights.
Yeah, they're hard to get to. Well, it's like they did a pretty good job though at making the inside of this race car be like a, you know, usable street car.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the Noble. That was fun. And that's a really cool car. Now you guys should go look one up, see what they're all about. Thanks for the ride, Brett.
Did you talk about where it came from?
Great Britain? What do you mean?
Where they're built?
South Africa.
South Africa? Oh, it's not Britain?
Designed in Britain.
Designed in Britain, built in South Africa. Now it's in America.
Less than 200 in the US.
And I think it's gonna be on PCH later, taking in some rays of sun.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.